Good morning, I'm meteorologist Shane Hinton with your September 12th morning tropical update. Let's take a look out in the Atlantic, and you'll notice we are monitoring 3 areas. We continue to keep eyes on Hurricane Lee, now Hurricane Margot, and then one additional area off the west coast of Africa. Let's talk about Hurricane Lee because this is in many headlines currently. Very strong, impressive storm moving very slowly still west to northwest at 7 miles per hour with maximum sustained winds at 115 miles per hour. So still a Category 3 hurricane expected to possibly intensify. The latest forecast cone, though, showing that it would still make its way up to the north as a Category 1. Now, many people are going to be talking about on social media this system. Is it going to impact the east coast of the United States? Please don't buy into the clickbait. There's still plenty of time for things to change with this. Right now, it's looking like it would be more of a concern for the northeast United States, closer to the Boston area if it were to go on the left-hand side of this track. A majority of the models, as you can see based off the spaghetti plots here, is what we call them, the tropical forecast models here, indicating more of a problem for Nova Scotia or portions of Canada. Okay, we will continue to monitor this very closely over the coming days and provide updates. Now let's take a look at Hurricane Margot, expected to possibly intensify to a Category 2, but regardless of its intensification, it is so far out in the Atlantic, it is posing absolutely no threat to land. No impacts here locally in the United States either. As we take a look at this area that has a possibility of development, you'll see it has a 70% chance over the next 7 days, so it's something we'll be monitoring over the next week. Only a 20% chance of development over the next 48 hours. If it does become a tropical storm or a hurricane, it will be called Nigel, as we are moving on to the N name on our list this year. We'll continue to track the tropics and provide updates on air and online.